Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this outfit for photographer theme and dress them proud without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyles and you're going to color it brown. Okay, this is for the color code. And then I'm going to go to the shirt area. It's right here. And I'm going to select this shirt. And we're going to color it with this white color. Okay. And the next one, I'm going to go to this area. Oops, sorry. I'm going to select this one. Okay, and I'm going to select this belt as well, and we're going to go to the jeans area and choose this jeans. Oops, sorry, not this one but this one. Okay, let me take off this jeans. Okay, and then I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, and I'm going to make it denim. Oops. Okay, I'm just going to make it denim. Make the material denim. Alright, and then I'm going to change the toggle to pockets. Okay, now it's done, and then I'm going to move to this scarf area and choose this scarf, and then I'm going to apply this pattern. Alright. And I'm going to choose this bag, this one, and for the color, I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, and then I'm going to make it a denim as well. Okay, it's done, and I'm going to select this accessory, this one. And for the color, I'm just going to make it this color for the second selection. Okay, it's done, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room and wear the codes item, one of the codes item, this one, and I'm going to make it white. Alright. And I'm going to put on hat here. Sorry, I forgot to put on this hat. Okay, and I'm going to select camera. Oops, sorry guys, I forgot the boots. Okay, let me just put on this camera first, and we're going to color it black for all the selection except the lens. Okay, like this. I'm just going to make them black. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to put on the boots. Okay, from the codes item. This one, guys. Alright. And then this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.